Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Hey KKFL family! Welcome to our fun series where we learn one idiom and one phrase every day. Today we're learning a piece of cake and at the drop of a hat. Let's dive in. First up, a piece of cake means something very easy. For example, the math test was a piece of cake. Next, at the drop of a hat means without hesitation or instantly. For example, she can start singing at the drop of a hat. Great job, everyone! Now you know, a piece of cake and at the drop of a hat. Keep practicing and impress everyone with your new idioms and phrases. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.